Gardening is too hard. Is there anyone to help me?
Gardening support is here at your assistance. Planting is never difficult as long as you have it. And what exactly is it? Ding 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 ding! This is it, the Baba Super 10 potting mix. To grow a beautiful plant, we will start from choosing the right soil. The Baba Super 10 potting mix, no matter it's a potted plant or an ornamental plant, it fits perfectly for them, and the result is wonderfully awesome. The Baba Super 10 potting mix is formulated specially according to the plant's need. It does not only contain high organic matter, but also contain 8 ingredients that promote growth, excellent ventilation and drainage, facilitating the development of the roots, so it's natural for the plant to grow healthily here. And not only this, what's most important is that it contains 2 special ingredients, which are the clay baker and the calcium. Calcium, a natural mineral powder, mainly helps the plant to grow stronger and more beautiful. The clay breaker keeps the soil loose, prevent it from hardening. Never have to worry about the soil becoming solid. Never keep replacing the soil. What's a worry-free product?
Wow, what a great planting soil! What type of plant is suitable to it?
Oh, it's not many actually. Now, all these that you can see on the screen can be planted using Baba Super 10 potting mix. Moreover, our Baba Super 10 potting mix is very lightweighted, saving you from the heavy lifting after the planting work. There's no reason to overlook a soil of this exceptional quality. Alright, that's all for our gardening support today. See you guys next week. Goodbye! Growing plants is just like romantic relationship. We are in love forever if you get your Mr. Right. Baba Super 10 potting mix will be with your plants forever and ever. Happy gardening!